Hello friends, today is discuss amino acid classification. What is amino acid? Amino acids are a group of organic compound containing two functional group. First one is amino NH2 and second one is carboxyl COOH. First amino acid is glycine. Glycine is optically inactive. Only one amino acid is optically inactive. In only glycine or no chiral carbon is present. Glycine carbon attached with amino group and carboxylic group. Next amino acid is alanine. Alanine is non-polar in nature. In glycine, methyl group attached then form alanine. In this position, CH3 is attached. Next one is serine. Serine in alanine hydroxy group attached in this position. Alanine is non-polar but serine is polar in nature. Okay. In this position hydroxy group attached then form serine. Next amino acid is threonine. Threonine, serine attached methyl group. This is structure is serine and this position methyl group attached then form threonine. Okay, in serine is this position methyl group attached then form threonine. Next is cysteine. Cysteine is also polar in nature. Alanine attached thio group. What is the structure of alanine? This is a alanine. This is a alanine. And this position thio group it attached and form cysteine. Next amino acid is methionine. Methionine non-polar in nature. Thioether group is present. This group known as thioether group. Alanine add thioether group then form methionine. Next is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is this is alanine and phenyl ring attached then form phenylalanine. This is a aromatic amino acid. Next is tyrosine. Tyrosine in phenylalanine attached the OH group then form tyrosine. This is the structure of tyrosine. Hydroxy group is attached. Next is tryptophan. In tryptophan is aromatic amino acid and this ring is known as indole ring. Indole ring attached with alanine. Next amino acid is histidine. In histidine imidazole ring. This is a imidazole ring. First and third position पे nitrogen present. This attached with alanine and form histidine. Next is valine. Glycine attached with isopropyl ring. This is a 3 carbon ring chain is isopropyl ring or this is glycine. Glycine attached with isopropyl ring then form valine. Valine is aliphatic amino acid. Next is leucine. Leucine in glycine, this group is glycine and this is isobutyl 4 carbon. Glycine attached with isobutyl ring is called leucine. Next amino acid is isoleucine. Isoleucine is methyl group this shift in this carbon. This methyl group shift in this carbon. Then form isoleucine. Next is amino acid is arginine. In arginine, guanidine ring is present. This ring is guanidine ring. Carbon attached with 3 amino group. and plus 3 methyl group attached with glycine. This is group of glycine is known as, this structure known as arginine. Next is lysine. Lysine is basic in nature. Ammonia plus 4-methyl compound attached with this group glycine. This is the structure of lysine. Order of basicity. Most basic is arginine, then lysine, then histidine. Okay, next amino acid is aspartate. Aspartate is acidic in nature. It's formed by succinate. Succinate, 2 methyl group and 2 carboxylic group. This is called succinate. In presence of ammonia is formed aspartate. Ammonia attached with first carbon. Then aspartate, ammonia attaches COO group form carbamide is known as asparagine. Next amino acid is glutamate. Glutamate is formed by glutarate. Glutarate is present 3 carbon and 2 carboxylic group. In first carbon attached NH2 then form glutarate. And both first carbon attached ammonia NH2 amino group and last COO carboxyl group attached NH2 form carbamide. Then this structure known as glutamine. Next amino acid is cysteine. Cysteine is made up of difference in both amino acid is E. This is cysteine and this is cysteine. 2 amino acid, matlab 2 cysteine amino acid made cysteine. This is the structure of cysteine. 2 cysteine structure made cysteine. Next is methionine. In cysteine attach methyl group. Cysteine means cysteine. Cysteine. Methyl group then form methionine. Next structure is proline. Proline only amino acid is formed secondary amine. All amino acid having primary amine. Only proline having secondary amine. Next, polar charge. Which amino acid is acidic in nature? Aspartate, asparagine, glutamate and glutamine. Next is basic amino acid is histidine, lysine, leucine or arginine. Next is polar uncharged. Serine, cysteine, threonine and tyrosine. Next is non-polar amino acid, hydrophobic in nature. Valine, leucine, methionine, tryptophan, phenylalanine and isoleucine. Next is heterocyclic amino acid is histidine, tryptophan and proline. Next is amino acid divided into 3 parts: essential, semi-essential and non-essential. Essential, threonine, isoleucine, methionine, valine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, leucine and lysine. Semi-essential amino acid is arginine, histidine. And last one is non-essential amino acid is glycine, alanine, serine, cysteine, aspartate, asparagine, glutamate, glutamine and tyrosine and proline. Next is non-protein amino acids. Alpha amino acid is ornithine, citrulline, arginosuccinic acid, thyroxine, triiodothyronine, S-adenosyl methionine, homocysteine, homoserine, 3,4-dihydroxyphenylalanine, creatinine, ovothiol और azasarin. Non-alpha amino acid is beta alanine, beta aminoisobutyric acid, gamma aminobutyric acid, delta aminobutyric acid और taurine. Next is ketogenic amino acid from ketone bodies, fat precursor. Ketogenic amino acid is leucine, lysine, and glycogenic or glucogenic amino acid is glucose precursor, alanine, aspartate, glycine and methionine. Next is ketogenic or glucogenic या glycogenic. Both amino acid is phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan and isoleucine. Amino acid that contain oxaloacetate, asparagine, aspartate. Amino acid contain fumarate, phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine. Amino acid contain succinate, threonine, isoleucine, methionine, valine. Next one is amino acid contain pyruvate, threonine, cysteine, glycine, serine, alanine. Next is amino acid contain alpha ketoglutarate, proline, glutamate, arginine and histidine. Next is amino acid containing acetyl coenzyme, acetoacetate and acetyl coenzyme, phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan and isoleucine. These are ketogenic or glycogenic both. Leucine, lysine, ketogenic. And next is aliphatic group amino acid, glycine, alanine, valine and leucine. Next is isoleucine. Okay. Next is amino acid containing hydroxyl group, serine, tyrosine. Serine, tyrosine. And next amino acid containing sulfur group, cysteine, cysteine and methionine. Next is amino acid containing aromatic group, phenylalanine and tyrosine. This topic is completed.